Hello, what's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, again, I'm talking about Tron TRX crypto holders. So, finally, friends, again, I'm talking about TRX price update. What's going on in the TRX? What's the price? What's the price changes occur? Guys, we discuss these all things in this video, guys. So, let's start the video. And, guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now my channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the right now price of TRX Tron, so 0.099125 USD dollar, and that is currently price of TRX. Other side, you can see if you look the changes update of TRX, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Tron TRX is completely going positive, guys. And I believe, guys, that for a long time TRX Tron will continue this pump, so just hold, guys. You know what, TRX is going to the moon, so you have to hold. You have to hold, guys. Let me show you the price chart for some time. Just enjoy. You know what, the price chart, when the price is going to the moon, so you have to enjoy the price chart. Now you are, like you can see here, guys, you can see here from this point the price going straight to the moon. Here is the moon. So guys, just hold. Very soon you're going into the moon. Positive 1.01% changes occurred in the last 7 days, so it's just a beginning, guys. Very soon you found more positive TRX, so just hold. Then it's just time, guys. Just hold and forget it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe channel.